Welcome to Crochet Techniques with Melissa from cmelissacraft.com. To make a standing half double crochet, we begin with a slip knot. Insert your hook into the slip knot. Now we are going to hold the loop on our hook with our forefinger so it doesn't slide around. Yarn over, insert your hook into your first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Continue holding this loop on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now we've created a standing half double crochet that will look very similar or exactly the same as the other half double crochets in our round or row versus doing a slip stitch and a chain 2. So I'm just going to go through it again here. We're going to create a slip knot. Put the loop on your hook. Hold the loop with your finger, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that is a standing half double crochet.